Most people work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 pillars of wealth that changed my life and thousands of others. This isn't about luck. It's about a system. Pillar number 1, the wealthy mindset. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor isn't the amount of money in their bank account. It's how they think about it. Most people work 40 hours a week to buy things that impress people they don't even like. They're trapped in the consumer cycle. But the wealthy view money as a tool. Every dollar is a soldier, sent out to fight and bring back more soldiers. To change your life, you must first change your relationship with money. Stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "How can this money work for me?" Pillar number 2, assets over liabilities. The rich focus on acquiring assets, while the poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. An asset is simple. It's something that puts money into your pocket, like stocks, real estate, or a business. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket, like your car, your luxury watch, or even your primary home. To build true wealth, you must stop collecting things that lose value and start buying things that buy you more freedom. Pillar number 3, harness the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. It's money making money. That makes even more money. You don't need a fortune to start. You just need time and consistency. Small amounts invested today turn into empires tomorrow. Start now and let time do the heavy lifting. Becoming wealthy is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It takes patience, discipline, and the right knowledge. If you're ready to start your journey today, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on your path to financial freedom. This is Wealth Way. See you in the next one.